that smaller soldering iron is not quite cutting it out in that cold. This, last time I used this sweet piece right here, this old Radioshack soldering iron, made some noise, made some smoke, made some sparks, and quit working. You see a dab of solder right there, so something shorted out or overloaded, broke a connection. So let's see if I can fix this. See what we got here. So there. Take this out. Boy, look at all that solder. What the heck happened? It just come out of here? Feels like they're still connected. There's definitely some solder coming up out of them. It's acting like it was completely open circuit. It wasn't doing anything. But there's a big old blob right there. That came out the top. Why is this melting? I don't think it likes this. It's been acting funny ever since I replaced the tip. That's a lot of solder that came out of there. Straight. clean up all this flux. Gonna use some 91% isopropyl alcohol. It's not really coming off too easy though. Doesn't look like it's all coming off, but I'm not too worried about it. Oh, there it goes. I guess you just gotta work it for a little bit. Alright, it didn't clean up perfect. Probably because it was burnt on there. I might even need something a little stronger like acetone, but I'm pretty happy with that. Not happy that this rotated. That actually rotated a little bit, but I can still get the screws in there. Next time I might try drilling a couple holes these sizes in the wood so it actually holds them real firmly, and then solder them. Light in. Looks good. Let's see if it works. Just a little past snug. Alright, that works. Things are a little crooked. Like I said, this would work out a whole lot better if I made a little jig to hold those. Spread that out. Oh, it's humming. I can feel it. High and low seems to be working. Yep, that's getting hot. Sweet. It works. Oh crap, where was that supposed to go? Oh, I see. Like this, I think. Went in behind this piece of copper, probably for heat shielding. It's got that little notch to clip into the back. It's like so. Probably easier if I go in from the side. There we go. Alright. Just like that. Oops, I forgot to unplug it. What was that one? I was just working on it there. Yeah, it's got a nice hum to it now. It didn't feel like that before. It had a little bit of a rattly hum. Like something was loose. There we go. Soldering iron back in action. Alright, got a piece of copper. There you go, now we can tin it.